When we're on our iPad and we search for the WhatsApp app directly here, we see something unexpected. And that is, when we look for WhatsApp, we find that there's really no WhatsApp app anywhere. There's this messenger duo for WhatsApp, but it's not official and it's just for mirroring. WhatsApp. And that would be giving data to a third party. And it's not advisable to do that. Then there's this one here, which isn't the most recommended either. In fact, it tells us iPad version and we could do this. But really, as of today, there is no feasible option for that. You can't use your WhatsApp directly in an app by just putting in your phone. Instead, what you need to do reliably is to go straight to the home screen and look for your trusted browser, whether it's Safari or Google Chrome. In this case, let's start with Google Chrome and let's search for WhatsApp web directly on our iPad. Let's give it a tap and it's going to start loading up here. It says, log into WhatsApp. For this, what we're going to do is use a phone, and you need to have your WhatsApp open on your phone already. And for this, we're going to go directly to the phone. We're going to open the WhatsApp app over here. Then we're going to go to the app. At the bottom here, this option appears that says settings. We tap on it and here we click on where it says link devices. What is this? From here, all the devices we have will show up. We go to where it says set up a new device and it asks for our password. We place it over here. The camera loads. Point at QR to load. What we have to do is on our iPad, look at SQR and here click where it says OK. And with the camera point directly at the QR and it will automatically start loading. And here we have our initial WhatsApp. The truth is that it is almost the same as having it in the official application. Only that there we will have WhatsApp separately, that is, we have WhatsApp web separately here. And as long as there are no problems with the main device, we're always going to have WhatsApp updated here, and we'll be able to chat without any issues. This will definitely arrive. What if there's a problem with our main device? Well, then we would have a problem, and we would have to sync it again. And it's always important to know that all the main options for settings and management are going to be on our cell phone. They won't be available on WhatsApp web inside from the iPad. We're really hoping that Apple creates a version of this app directly for the iPad, but it doesn't exist yet, so we'll just have to keep waiting.